Assalamualaikum. I am Usman from Pakistan and I am learning German language. This is our day 26 of German language speaking challenge. In this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Baqarah 2, ayat number 238. The ayah is haltet die Gebete ein, so wie das mittlere Gebet und steht in die mutige Ergebenheit vor Allah. Ergebenheit means devotion, haltet means hold, gebete means prayer. Allah says in Quran that maintain the prayers including the middle prayer and stand in humble submission to Allah. Allah says that अपनी नमाज़ों की हिफाजत करें, ख़ुसूसन जो बीच की नमाज है, दरमियानी नमाज है, और अल्लाह ताला के सामने हम्बल तरीके से खड़े रहें. अल्लाह ताला के आगे इस तरह खड़े हो जैसे फर्मा बरदार ग़ुलाम खड़े होते हैं. सो ये मफ़हूम था इस आयत का. एंड नाउ आई हैव 4 sentences that I will speak randomly and then I will correct them. So first sentence is the key to success is working with challenges. Der Schlüssel für Erfolg ist spielt mit Herausforderung. This is first sentence. The second sentence is the clothes are blue in color. Their Kleide ist blau. The third sentence is the air is in atmosphere. I am not sure about air and I am not sure about atmosphere, so I will completely check this sentence and tell you about this. And the fourth sentence is I like eating. Ich mag essen. So I will check these sentences and will share you the corrected form and German and words. The first sentence I said was the key to success is working with challenges, and I translated into German as Der Schlüssel für Erfolg ist spielt mit Herausforderung. It has to be corrected into Der Schlüssel zum Erfolg ist es, sich Herausforderung zu stellen. In this sentence, Schlüssel means keys, Erfolg means success, Herausforderung means challenges, sich stellen means face, to deal with, faces, to face something. So it has to be changed like this. The second sentence I said was in English, it was the clothes are blue in color, and I translated it as Die Kleide ist blau. This has to be corrected as Die Kleidung ist blau. Die Kleide is not correct form for collective nouns. It has to be changed into Die Kleidung. Die Clothes. Die Kleidung ist blau. The third sentence I said in English was the air is in atmosphere, and I was unsure about its German translation. It has to be translated into German as Die Luft ist in der Atmosphäre. Luft means air. Die Luft ist in der Atmosphäre. The fourth sentence I said was I like eating, and I translated it as Ich mag esse. Here they are saying that mag is used in the situation where we are using some object such as Ich mag essen, I like food. So here we will use gern, which is more appropriate for when we are eating or doing something, doing an activity. So the sentence can be changed into Ich esse gern. Ich esse gern is more natural and more representative of the sentence I like eating. So this is from my side on this day of challenge, and next day inshallah we will meet. Jazakumullah khair.